We use how long to ask about the length of time we need to do something. Take a look at the following example. I need to get to the cultural center by 10 in the morning. What time should I leave home? How long does it take to travel from here to the cultural center? It takes about an hour. Then you should leave home at 8:30. We start the questions with the question words how long. Then we use does because we are using a word it afterward. And we use the to infinitive to travel. Finally, from the starting point to our destination, let's repeat the whole question. How long does it take to travel from here to the cultural center? To answer the questions, we say it takes an hour. Don't say it uses an hour. We use take with time. Now let's take a look at the time units. S refers to second. Second. MIN refers to minute. Minute. HR refers to hour. Hour. Don't say hour. The H is silent. D refers to day. Day. WK refers to week. Week. MO refers to month. Month. Pay attention to the spelling of this word. Don't spell MOUTH. That's mouth. YR refers to year. Year. How would you read this? It's half an hour. Half an hour. Or you can say 30 minutes. 30 minutes. But don't say 0.5 hour. We don't use point in telling time. The next one is an hour. An hour. Don't say a hour. Or you can say 1 hour. 1 hour. Do you know how to read this one? It's 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours. Don't forget the S. Now let's do some practice. Take a look at this map. How would you ask the question? Which one is the starting point and which one is your destination? For the answer, which number will you use? The question is, how long does it take to travel from your school to Plaza Hollywood? And the answer is, it takes 17 minutes. Don't say it is 17 minutes. Instead of using the word travel, you can also use get. Get to your destination. So the destination will go first in the question. And the question will become, how long does it take to get to Plaza Hollywood from your school? It takes 17 minutes to walk from your school to Plaza Hollywood. How about taking a minibus? How would you ask the question? You can add the means of transport at the end of the questions, like, how long does it take to travel from your school to Plaza Hollywood by minibus? Now read the map very carefully. Where is the starting point and where is the destination? How long does it take to get there? How would you ask the question? Changquan-O is the starting point. Diamond Hill is our destination. You can see the mark on the map. So the question is, how long does it take to travel from Changquan-O to Diamond Hill? And what is the answer? The answer is, it takes an hour and 3 minutes, or it takes 1 hour and 3 minutes. How about these two places? The starting point is Tin Shui Wai Station, and our destination is Hong Kong Wetland Park. This time I would like you to use get to ask the question. How would you ask the question? The question is, how long does it take to get to Hong Kong Wetland Park from Tin Shui Wai Station? Remember, the destination should go first if we use the word get. And what is the answer? The answer is, it takes 25 minutes. We can also use how long to ask about the time we need to do different things. Like this one. How long does it take to bake a cake? How would you answer the question? The answer should be, it takes 1.5 hours. 1.5 hours. Don't forget the S after hour. How about this one? How long does it take to boil an egg? It takes 7 minutes. Now you can do the practice in your TB.